Hi everybody, it's Barry Joyce here, and it is a brand new month at the time of this video. We are now on the 1st of May 2024, and as I've done all the way from December 2023, I'm showing you my results, my live results every month from my artificial intelligence bots that I am using. Now, just before I show you them, like always, I am not a financial advisor. These results are for my own purposes. The video is for training purposes. And if you are going to invest in crypto, please only invest what you can afford to lose, because investing in crypto is extremely volatile and it is high risk. Okay, so also, what I would like to stress is you will not be guaranteed the same results as me. These are only my results that I'm using, and I'm only investing in what I can afford to lose. So here I am again over on my Binance dashboard, and I want to show you the results from this month. So I'm going to head over now to my spot orders. From there, I'm going to go to order history, look, and I'm going to scroll down. No, I'm not. What I'm going to do is set the calendar first. So I'm going to go from the 1st of April to the 1st of May that we're on now. And I'm not going to bore you to death like in other videos. I'm not going to show you every single page. I'm just going to go back from the last week or so. So I'm going to go from the 24th. So that's what, a week ago. So as you can see here then, you've got your order time. So on these, the 24th of this month, so it's only a week ago, you've got your pairing, you've got your type, you've got your size, your average, your price, market, the execution amount, and then the total that it's actually traded in there. So looking at the bottom one here, we have Doge and US dollar tether. All of my AI bots trade with US dollar tether. So it's buying and selling. Look, so on here we bought, where are we executed there? 10 Doge, and we bought that for 160 US dollar, and we sold it. Look, only what, seven minutes, only sold it, and for $2. Yes, $2, but when you're working out the calculations of all the months, and these are a pretty much done deal with the artificial intelligence winning all the trades. And then again, look, buying it back. If we just go back to the next page, so bought again at the pretty much the same price. Where, let's have a look at the sell. So if I go down, look, sell, so that'll be the sell there. So again, another $2, but look at all of these here. So you've got your dollars there, buying and selling. So we've come in, we've bought all of those. So this time it's high, sold, so the buying sold, that'll be off the previous weeks all the way right through. Look, so you've got your buy and sell. I'll go to page 37, just show you a couple more. Look, so high, sol, Doge again. We'll go to 35, just show you again. So sol, high. Again, there's various different coins, and I just select the coins that I want to trade. So I'm just going to go back to the first page, look, and these were yesterday as the time of this shoot. So yesterday was the 30th of April. So I'll just show you all the type of trades that are done in one day. Okay, so we'll go from the 30th of April, look. So we've got sol, we've got high. So look at all the buys in the high. So at this moment of this video, crypto is dropping after the halving. So if you weren't aware that the Bitcoin halving was last week, we were hoping to have a bit of a bull run, but that quite hasn't happened yet. The market hasn't totally crashed, but it's slightly gone down 10 to 15% over the last week since the Bitcoin halving. But these are alternative coins, look, so buying, so we bought in quite a lot there. There's the prices that were bought in for. So yeah, Avalanche, OM coin, Doge. So them are going into the day before. So it hasn't really gone mad over the past couple of days. So we're into the 28th look. So Fetch, OM, your Pep meme coin, again, all the way right through there. But it is trading. So this month hasn't been maybe as good as the previous months that I've showed you. However, it has still made me great profits. If you want to keep an eye on the prices of crypto, the easiest way I find is Coin Market. So I'm just going to shoot over onto another browser where I've got Coin Market Cap. So I'm going to shoot over to Google Chrome. And Coin Market Cap here, look. So again, at the price, at the time of this video, the 1st of May 2024, Bitcoin, as you can see there, it's dropped in the last 7 days by 12%. So it's gone down almost 8%. So in the last 24 hours, it's had a bit of a dip in there. So I'll be keeping an eye on this because the artificial intelligence will be picking up on this. So with the dip, it's the best time the artificial intelligence bot will start buying. And then hopefully on the increase, we'll start selling on there. So the Bitcoin is approximately at 58. Well, just over $58,000. I work in dollars when I work in crypto, even though I am from the UK. And as you can see there, the market has taken a hit, quite a hit in the last 7 days. So Sol down 23%. Dogecoin, even though I've been doing mega trades, the bot's been doing mega trades on Doge, has been hammering it. It is dropping, but when that goes up, I am expecting some really, really good profits. So, like I said before, it hasn't been a great month. However, once that price fluctuates and goes up, then happy days, happy days. All the way down, look, so Shiba coin, again, look, so Avalanche, I'd made some good trades over the last few days. That's why. It's because the price is dropping, look. Scrolling down, let's have a quick look in. And there in particular, Litecoin. I'm a big fan of Litecoin. I do quite a lot with that. So I'm hoping that is going to go up. But again, it was, I think, at the time of the... let's have a look. So click on it there, look, and it'll give you the actual dates there. So the last month, let's have a look on the middle of April. Look, it was at about $107 per coin. So the last 7 days, look, it dropped up to 80, but now it's dropped all the way down to 72. So whether that's going to continue dropping, we don't know. But that's another good way of checking it out. And again, if you go back up, look, you can have a look at your Bitcoin. So all you do is just press on it, and you can get like your 1 day chart, so it'll tell you the prices over the last 24 hours. You can have a look at the last 7 days, the last month, and also the last year, but all time as well. So as you can see, when Bitcoin was at an all-time high earlier this year, when it reached almost $72,000, that's the chart there. So that's a great way of just keeping an eye on it. But again, this is all hands free. I'm not doing anything. All I do, set the bot, and away it goes. I am not giving money away to third parties as well. I am in full control of my own finance as well. Okay, guys, so that is it for this month, and I will look forward to seeing you in June. I'll do another video on the 1st of June to show you this month's May 2024's results.